Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2018. And if your horn doesn't work, you're trying to find where the fuse is located, stay with us, we'll cover that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So we will have a special video, the top 3 things why horn does not work, guys. Okay, on our main channel, Auto Repair Guys, we'll be making about that C-Max as well, but today we'll cover the fuse in this video. Let's go ahead, open here. You have 3 fuse boxes, guys, that you need to check. One is under the hood, one is in the vehicle, one is in the trunk. So that's the fuse box right here. You open the lid on the back side, pull it up gently, okay, and come out. It's a little bit of a limited room, but eventually it does come out. Now the layout of the fuse box here, guys, corresponds to what we have specifically here. So which fuse now we need to check? Okay, for the horn, it's actually fuse number 20. So if you look at the fuse box, guys, okay, fuse number 20, it's right here. That's a 15 amp fuse. It's the very left fuse, okay, right there. And on the top side of the fuse, that's where the number is. It says F20. This one is F21, 24. They don't go in order, guys, okay? Because it goes F20, F21, F22, 3, then it goes that way. But this is the fuse that you need to check. If you want to see how to test the fuse, guys, okay, or a relay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. It's for your convenience. It will teach you all about that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.